Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of an INGERSOL RAND T30 7.5 model upright air compressor. It does have an 80-gallon air tank. It's capable of 24 psi at 175 CFM. As you can hear, there's no air leaks. Go ahead and turn it on real fast. As you can see, it is set at 175 psi right now. You can hear the check valve. It's fully released now. As you can hear, there's no air leaks, no issues. Nice clean air compressor. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.